Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the second part of this chapter, that is the construction. So let us see now how to construct a 60-degree angle. So now look at here. This is already I have constructed, but I will show you step by step how did I do it. So now see, first thing we are going to draw an arc, that is the BC. This is the first step. Whenever we write here this one, that means it is an arc. We have seen in the previous video. Arc means there is only one arrow at this side, and this is the fixed one. So we will take a point over here and draw an arc, that is the BC. The step 2, what is that? With point B, this will take as the center, and draw an arc of any continued radius. It can be like, it's not this one. You can take any radius of it and cutting ray BC at point P. So you will take from here, and you know this. So you will take a point over here, and you will draw an arc of any radius, and you will cut it, and you can name this as anything. As I just name this as P. Here this will be the P. Now see here for the step 3, with point P as center, then you will take this as center, and what will you do? Draw an arc of the same radius. Whatever you took, suppose the radius from here to draw an arc, with the same one you are not going to change it. From here you will start from this point P. So whatever you have done in the step 2, with the same radius you will cut, and you will, what we will do, see here, with point P as center, draw an arc of the same radius as in step 2, cutting the drawn arc at. So from here you will take it, and you are going to cut this one. See here, again I repeat, from here you will take the convenient radius, you will draw an arc. Then you will take the point, same, we are not going to change the distance, and we will take from here, and with the help of the compass. You know that compass, one has a pencil point and other is a normal. So what does it say? Then you are going to cut it at this one and join points B and Q to make BQ. So can you see here? B and Q. This one and this one, and then this is we will write here Q. We are going to join it. So after drawing here, you know there is the point over here, and that point is going to be Q. So here, what does this say? That angle, whatever you measure after that should be 60 degree. We can take a protractor, we can measure and see. So this angle, whatever you get this angle, this is going to be 60 degree. So write the steps and then draw it. So now we will see for the construction of a 90-degree angle. So this already I have drawn it, and I will show you step by step how did I do it. So now again for this one, first you will take a point over here, and you will draw a ray BC. So you are going to draw a ray, that is not any radius, you can take it and draw a line, that is the ray BC. Then what will you do with the step 2? With point B, this point you are going to take as with point B as center, this you will take and draw an arc of convenient radius, same what you did for that one. You can draw this arc, and this you are going to mark this as this point, whatever you get, this you are going to mark it as P. So in the step 3, what are you going to do again? With point P, this again you are going to take point P, this as center. See, points here say, draw a second arc of same radius, whatever the distance you took for this one, so the same you are going to take it, and you are going to cut it at here, Q. Here you are going to cut it at Q. Here what did you do? You cut it at this here, isn't it? Here you are going to cut at this point with the same radius. Whatever you took here, the same radius you are going to do it here. And you are going to, you can name it anything, I just name it as Q. So now the step 4, what does it say? With Q as center, again you are going to take this as center, and again you are going to draw another arc of same radius as in step 2. So again you are not going to change the whatever you took from here to here, the distance. See, from here you took the same distance, again from here to here you took the same distance, again from here to here you are going to take the same distance, and you are going to cut it over here. So, and this you are going to mark this point as whatever you got it after cutting this, because this here extended, so there is one point over here that you have written as R. So now what did they say? The step 5, with points Q and R as center and radius more than half the length QR. So now see here, this is the length. So what are you going to do? You are going to take the Q and Q as this one. See here, with points Q and R as center. Where is Q? Q is here and the R is here. So you will take, this will be somewhere in the half, but you are going to take from here, you will start, suppose you take here, you are going to take more than half. More than half is important, more than half. See, half is here, but you will take more than half. The distance from Q, you will take more than half with the same of the compass. And what are you going to do? Draw two arcs cutting each other as this. So now, can you see here? From here you have taken this one. So first one will be here. From here it will go here, and then again you will take from here and the same distance, and you are going to cut it over here. The first one you are going to take the random distance from here. So from first arc you will put a distance, you are going to cut it over. You took a point right here, so that you are going to cut it over here. So this is the one. So now what is that one says? S you cut it. So now you are going to join D and S to make the 6 point. What they say, you are going to join the D and S. D and this one, whenever after cutting you get this point, so you are going to join this point and this point, and this will be the extended one. So whenever you measure this, after this you are going to measure this, and this is going to be 90 degree. So see here, they said angle SBC is 90 degree. So hope you have understood it. Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the part 2 of the topic constructions. So let us see the next problem. Draw DE, mark a point A outside DE. Now draw a perpendicular AB to DE from point A. So first thing, what are we going to do here? We are going to draw DE. This is the line you have to draw, and you have to mark a point A outside DE. Outside DE means you will mark a point over here. So the next step, what are you going to do here? Placing the compass point at point A. Here you will put a compass point over here. This is the compass, and this here one side there will be a pencil, and this will be the other point. So you are going to place the compass point over here, and using any convenient radius, you will draw the arcs. From here you are going to draw the arcs to cut the lines D at point P and Q. So you can just put any, I just put here P and Q, you can just write any alphabet over here. That is called the variable. So now the next step is that place the compass point at P. So you are going to put the point at here, the compass over here at this point, and taking a distance greater than half. Greater than half of what? This is PQ. So this is half of it. We will take more than half, that is a greater than half over here, and draw an arc on the lower side of D. So you are going to take a distance over here. From then you will take more than half distance from here, and then you will place a compass over here. You will draw the first arc, then you will place a compass over here and draw the other arc. So can you see here? Place the compass point at P, and taking a distance greater than half of PQ, draw an arc on the lower side of the line D. Then what will you do? Place the compass point at Q, and using the same distance draw an arc to cut that is at B. So this you can mark as B. So draw the line AB. So what will you do? From this point to here you are going to draw a line. So from here what you can see, this is one line and this is one line. So what does this say? That is a perpendicular. So you can say AB is perpendicular to D. So these are the steps what you have to write. So the next problem says that draw a line segment of length 11.5 centimeter into two equal parts geometrically. So now first we will draw a line segment. This we can mark as AB. This we can mark as AB. That will be 11.5 centimeter using a ruler. Then what will you do? Place the compass on A and draw two arcs. So you will place a compass on here and you will draw one arc over here. This from here, and this from here you will cut, then you will draw an arc over here, and again here you will draw one arc. means that is the above and below the line. With what will you do? You will take, how are you going to draw an arc from here to here? You will take more than half, then you are going to draw an arc the same distance, taking more than half. You will draw an arc over here. Again you are going to draw an arc over here. So then you are going to repeat the same step with, you are going to place on B, again the same distance. You will draw an arc over here and arc over here. So what happens here, when this arc here, whenever you draw an arc, you see that this point, you are going to mark this point and then you are going to draw a line. So what we can say, that you repeat the above step by placing a compass on B such that the arcs from point B intersect the arcs from point A, and then you are going to say that join the intersection points of the arcs and let it intersect line AB at. So this is where it is intersecting. This point is called as C. So we can say the C divides line AB into two equal parts. So hope you got this one. So the next one, they said that construct a perpendicular to a line segment of length 9 cm from a point on it and 5 cm away from it. This is on it and away from one end. So now let us see here. First we are going to draw a line segment. This is AB, which is 9 cm. So now actually this is not 9 cm exactly. It looks smaller, but you have to take, when you take in your book, you see that you measure 9 cm. So take a point P on line segment AB. So you are going to take a point P on line segment AB. Then what will you do? To point P, taking convenient radius, draw semicircle. So from here you will take some distance and then you will draw a semicircle over here. So mark endpoints of semicircle at X and Y. So these are the endpoints you are going to mark as X and Y. So the next step says that consider XY, then you will keep compass on Y and take more than half. See, this more than half means this is the distance. So half is here. So you will keep the compass over here and you will take more than half somewhere here. From here you will take more than half on the compass and then take more than half of XY and keeping compass on X, draw an arc. So you are going to take more than half one and you are going to draw an arc with the help of the compass. Same you will do from the same distance you will take from X and you are going to draw an arc. So this is the point and this is the intersection of it. So you are going to draw a line. So what we can say here, see here, keeping compass on X, draw an arc. Again keeping compass on Y, draw another arc. Mark is at Q and then you are going to join PQ. So now take 5 cm and draw an arc on PQ. So which is PQ? This one. So you are going to draw an arc. First you will just randomly draw one line and then you will take from here to here, that should be 5 cm, and here you are going to show the marking over here, that is 5 cm, and then you will write the Q. So see, now take 5 cm and draw an arc on PQ. Using the line segments given in the figure, construct the following, and this is a line, this one L and this is M. So what did they say? Line segment equal to L plus M. So this is L and this is M, means you are going to join together. So what will you do? Measure line segment L. So this you are going to measure. Draw exactly of the same length. So you are going to draw exactly M of the L of the same length. Then what will you do? Starting from the end point of L. This is the ending, right? This is the start point and this is the end point. So you will start from M and then you will go on to measure this M, because they said L plus M. So you are going to add this both. So once you are drawn over here and then you are going to, from this the end point, see, starting from the end point of L, draw the line segment in the same direction. The resulting line segment to the end point of M is equal to M. So from here to here, this is the same as this distance. Line segment equal to L minus N. So now you are going to measure the line segment L. This is L, and draw exactly of the same length. Then what will you do? From the end point of L, from here, from this endpoint, you will draw the line segment M in the opposite direction. So first thing you are going to measure this M and you will come in the opposite direction. So this shows that here the M. So by this way, hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the third part of the same chapter, that is the construction. So let us see with the exercise 13.2. So actually the first question is very simple. That is, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So what you have to do? You have to take 5 centimeter, the compass. So just take the scale and this one point you will keep over here. Suppose this is 5 centimeter over here. So you will keep the one point of this compass over here and the other one the 5, and you will take this one, and then you will consider this as the center and you will draw a circle. And you can also mark this as anything. You can put A, B or something and put your 5 centimeter. So this is very simple. Now in the next stage, they said that draw a circle of diameter 7 centimeter. So first thing what we have to see, that diameter is nothing but twice of the radius. So diameter is 7, but below this diameter I wrote 7, and this is, we want the radius of right first. So here is 2 and this both same. So what will you do? 7, this 2 will go in the denominator, that will be 7 by 2 is R. So when you divide 7 by 2, 2 3s are 6, and this is 1, and you put here 0 means it is going to be 3.5. So the radius is 3.5. So once you get the radius 3.5, you will again take the scale. You will see where the 3.5 is. So in between 3 and 4. So that will be 3.5. Then you will keep the compass point over here and the other point over here, and you are going to draw a circle of 3.5. With the same center X, draw two circles of radii, that is 3 centimeter and 6.5 centimeter. So now you are going to take, again you are going to take in the compass first the 3 centimeter. This is the compass one, and you are going to put, suppose this is the scale here 3 centimeter. So you will put one point over here and the other point over here, and first thing you will draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Taking this point, you will put this point over here and draw a circle, and again taking the same point, the same center point, this they are calling as, this is X, we'll call it as the X. You will take again you will take on the scale, you are going to take the 6.5 centimeter, that will be 6.5 will be in between 6 and 7. So along with the compass, again you are going to put over here. Again you are going to consider the center as same, this is same center X, and then you are going to draw the second circle. This is of 6.5 centimeter. The construct a circle with center A and radius 4.5 centimeter. Draw any of its chord. So I'll tell you what is chord later. Construct the perpendicular bisector of the chord. So here whenever you draw a circle, whatever this passes to this one, this is the diameter. It can pass from anywhere. So this is called the diameter. And this chord, this is the center. It doesn't pass to the center. It can be anywhere, but it doesn't pass to the center. That is called a chord. So now first thing what are we going to do, that is you have to stress the compass on a ruler, that is this is the ruler, and you have to put it on the ruler, and you will take the radius as 4.5 centimeter. So that the two arms are, that is 4.5 centimeter, and you are going to draw a circle first. Then what are you going to do? Mark a point. You will mark this point as, this will be O, this will be the center. So now you will mark a point where you want this is the center of the circle. Then you are going to place the needle on O, this one, and draw this. Once you draw the circle, so what are you going to do? You are going to draw any. I draw this. This is the chord, and I named it as X and Y. So what will you do after that? That will mix it X1. Then taking X and Y as the center. So you will take, first you will keep your compass over here. So this compass point is over here, and the other point you are going to draw this one. And again what are you going to do? But how are you going to do? Taking X and Y center, mark arcs and intersect each other at points A and B. So from here you will take randomly, you will put an arc over here. Again you will put your compass over here and you are going to put the next arc over here. And can you see this, wherever these two arcs joins, you have to just put a point over here. So whenever you are joining it, so can you see here? This is the B point. So you can put any just one, just I put here A and B. So what is that? Construct the perpendicular bisector of this. This is the perpendicular, this is the chord. And this over, that is the perpendicular edge. Can you see this will be 90 degree? When they say perpendicular bisector, we are going to see of the chord. So this chord you can put it anywhere. I just put it over here. It can be anyways, but it should not pass through the center. It can be like this also. So joint AB to construct a perpendicular. So you can also look at the steps. So next one says that to draw the given angles using a protractor. Then bisect the angles using a ruler and a compass. So we have to see for 50 degrees. So now first thing what I'm going to do, with the help of a protractor, draw AB. This is BAC. So now see here, this is the first we'll draw a line. So now here you know the protractor is here. So you are going to see 50 will be, see here, this will be 90 degree of your protractor. And here this side will be less than 50 and this is going to be less than 90. This is going to be more than 90 on this side of your protractor. So now we are going to do 50 will be somewhere, this is just a rough one, you can just see on your protractor. So this one you will just keep your protractor point over here. This is the protractor. Okay, the point is going to be here and here will be somewhere 50. So you are going to first you are going to draw this line and then you just put like this and then you are going to join this and this. The point is going to be here somewhere. This will be 50 degrees. So this you are going to mark this angle, whatever we got, that is 50 degree. That is what? That is BAC. That is 50 degree. So now what will you do? The next step, what I will, they said they bisect the angles using a ruler and a compass. So they will take this point as A as center and you will take any convenient radius and you are going to draw this small arc over here where it is cutting AB and AC. Okay, and you can just put, after putting a small arc over here, you can just name it anything. I just name this as P and Q. So with center, first we will take this center P and you are going to, and we will take the radius more than half of PQ. Now see here, this is half of PQ. You will take more than half from P and you are going to draw from here. You will take this as center and this will be with the help of the protractor and you are going to draw one arc. Again, you are not going to change the this one and you will put your that compass on this one. You are not going to change the measurement of it. The same thing what you took from P and you are going to draw another arc over here. So now see here, this is the arc. So you are going to again put a point over here and you are going to join this one and put a line. So what did they say? With center P and radius more than PQ, that is same thing. Draw an arc and then with center or something what we did, draw another arc cutting the previously drawn. And so what are you going to do here? Then that says that this is, you can say this as S, so we can put something as S and this one. So what is that? SA and produces that to any point R. So that is the, whatever we say, one point is fixed and other is like this, that is called the ray. So ray AR bisects angle ABC. Can you see this ray? Because this is a fixed point and this, you can see an arrow over here. That means it says that is a ray. So we say this is the ray AR. So next one same here. Now we are going to, that is of a 50 degree and this is for 70 degree. So now draw a ray OA. So first thing, this one, the ray, why we say ray again? There is a point over here and this is the arrow over here. So we say OA. It can be anything, you can name it as anything. I just put it as OA. Then with the help of a protractor, construct an angle AOB. So now see, I have to construct this angle. And that should be 70 degrees. So this should be 70 degrees. So with center O, you will take a center O and then you will take a convenient, any radius you will take and you will draw an arc. And you can name this as anything. I put here P and Q. So now that will be what? So you just see, draw an arc cutting sides OA and OB at P and Q respectively. So what are you going to do? You will take the P as center and you will take, see, we are going to think of this one. So this is the center of it. But from P you are going to take more than half. You will take more than half the distance with the help of a compass. and you are going to draw an arc over here. And again, that same distance whatever you are taken from P, you will take from here Q, and you are going to draw another arc over here. And you are going to see here, whenever you draw this one, when the both of them intersect, you just put a point over here, so that whatever you draw a line, it should be a perfect one. So with center P and radius more than half PQ, draw an arc. With center Q, same thing whatever you do, and the same radius as in previous step, draw another arc intersecting the arc drawn in the previous step at R. And you have to join OR and close it to form a ray OX. And this one, the angle AOX and BOX or comma equal. Can you see here? AOX, this one, whatever you get, this angle, this is the bisector. When you said so, that will be definitely 70 divided by 2, that is going to be 35. And you can measure this one, whatever you get, this should be 35 and this also should be 35. So we have to just bisect it. Next one here, we have to look for 130 degrees. So now look here, you are going to draw a line and you will take a protector. Protector, as I said, that this is 90 degree. So here this side will be less than 90 degree. This is going to be more than 90 degree because now 130 is more than 90 degrees. So you're definitely here this angle is going to be here. So you take a protector, keep the point over here. This is your protector. So put a point over here, and then you are going to see where that 130 is. And there you are going to put a point, and then you will draw a line. So see here, make an angle of 130 by using a protector. Take BS center, you will take BS center and draw an arc which intersects BC and BA, E and D. So you will just draw an arc, this one. You will take this one, first you will draw a protector with this line, then you will draw this one and this arc. And now see here, whenever we will consider this E and D, so this is the, we'll consider more than half of it. This is this one half part of it, and for E we are going to take more than somewhere here. So we'll take the compass and then we'll keep your compass on this E and you are going to draw the first arc. Then the same distance whatever you took from E, that you will keep your compass over here and you are going to draw an arc over here, and then you are going to draw a line over here. So that is the bisector. So now draw a line BC which passes to X. Thus ray BG is the required bisector of this will be the half. So this will be, and you can measure it with your protector and see this whole part is going to be, because we already taken with your protector, that is 130. But when you take this one, it should be half of that 130 is going to be 65. This should be 65 and this should be 65. So we can check with your protector. Now what are you going to do for 75 degrees? So 75 means you are going to draw one line over here. That is, you can say also segment or this one, the ray here. And it should be 75 means the bisector should be 37.5. So now look at here. First you are going to take a protector, and as I said again, this one is 90 degree, right? So here it should be somewhere on this side 75 of your protector. So see here. So with the help of protector, first thing you are going to see here 75 degree and draw this line, and you will draw an arc over here and write here 75 degree. Then what are you going to do? When you draw an arc, you are just going to name this one. I name this as PQ. And now what are you going to do? When you name this as PQ, you will take from here, from P and Q, more than half. More than half means this is half. You will take the more than half distance on your compass, and you are going to draw first arc over here. Then again the same distance whatever you took from P, that you are not going to change your compass, and you from your Q you are going to draw another arc over here, and then you are going to join, and you can just, this naming you can give it according to you. So when you measure, because this is a bisector, so 75 divided by 2 means that comes out to be 37.5. So when you measure this angle, it should be 37.5. And again, when you measure this angle, it should be 37.5. This is called the bisector. Bisector means you are dividing the angle into two equal parts. So this is the explanation you can see, because we have to write in steps of construction, or in construction the steps also. So you can just look at these steps. The same thing whatever has been explained, they are given in steps. So with the help of a ruler and compasses, construct angles of 45 degree and 120 degree. So first thing, let us look for 45 degree. So now again here what did I do? I did in this way. You can also draw like this as you wish. So now this is the ray. This is AB. You can name it as anything.
any other name you can give it here. I just gave AB. With the center B, you will take the center, draw an arc. So what are you going to do? From here, you are going to draw this one arc like this, and then you are going to name this as, so draw an arc that makes AB. So that is making AB at this point C. You are going to draw an arc, and then take C as center, and with same radius, mark two small arcs. You will take this one. Whatever you took the C as center, that equals this one. You are going to see here, mark two small arcs D and E. Here one arc and here one. So now you will do take D and E as center, and with same radius draw two arcs that meet each other at point G. So here it is going to meet here from point this one, that is going to meet at this point G. So join point B and G such that angle ABG is equal to 90 degrees. So this should be G. Hope you got this one. Just look at the steps and you can go over here. So the draw the angle bisector. Here we can make it this one. Yeah. So we can extend this one to this. We can keep it as edge over here. We can make it to edge over here, and we are going to here we can put as G. Here we will put this as G where it is meeting. Okay, and from here you are going to bisect. So this let us write as G. So look at the steps. Draw the angle bisector BH of angle ABG such that angle ABH is equal to 45, because when you bisect this one, this is whole thing is 90 degree. So when you bisect means this should be 45 and this also should be 45. So you can look at the steps and accordingly you can do for angle 45 degree. So now let us look for the angle 120 degree, and angle 120 degree means definitely it will be more than 90 degree. So it will go on the other side, like this is 90 degrees, so it will go on this side. So this is 120 degrees. So you are going to draw this BC, and with the help of protractor, what you will do? You will take 120 degree with the BS center, draw an arc of another convenient cases. So you will draw this and this arc, and at point P, this P, and so with point P as center, draw a second arc. So you will take this one, this P as center, you will draw one second arc, this one, and of the same radius as in step 2, and cutting the previous arc at, this is going to be at, this is Q, and with Q as center, draw another of the same radius. Whatever you took from here to here, again what you are going to do, the same distance you are going to cut from, you will take that compass from this point and you are going to cut it over here. So that is going to be the point R. So already this line is there, this is going to cut, this is going to the point R. So here this is done, and join points BR to make BA. So can you see this line, you are going to join it to make it to line BA. So we get angle ABC is equal to 120, and when you measure this angle, that means you can get it to 120 degree. Roughly you can do it with the help of this protractor. See that you can just do it with the help of this protractor, and later on when you will follow these steps, you will get this angle as 120 degree. So this is with the help of protractor. This is a rough diagram, and then you can do it, and then you are going to join this line, that is AB. So by this way,
Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the part 4 of the topic construction. So let us see this first question here over here, like choose the correct option. A circle of given radius can be drawn using how will you draw this circle? With the help of a pair of compass. This is the correct option. If two straight lines are perpendicular to each other, then the angle formed between this. So now see, if we are taking this two straight line, so angle formed between this will be 90 degree. What is the shape of a protractor? So you know this is a protractor. So the shape is semicircular. You know this is whenever this is a circle, half of it will be a semicircle. Each division on a scale of protractor represents, that is 1 degree. Suppose AB is 12 cm and we have constructed its perpendicular bisector intersecting AB at point C, then length of AC is. So now this AB this is 12 centimeter. So we have constructed perpendicular. So there will be somewhere AC here. This is AB. So this AC is going to be the half of AB, that is 6 centimeter. Now let us see the construction. Construct a line segment of length 5 centimeter and bisect it. First, what are we going to do? We are going to draw a line, that is, let us take as AB, that will be 5 centimeter. Then we will take this A as the center, take with the help of a compass, draw an arc over here and the upper and the lower side and the arc over here. Then you will take this B as the center, and again you will draw an arc over here and then second arc over here, and then you will join this. See that whenever you join, you just take the point over here and draw a straight line, and you can mark anything over here. I just mark here at P and Q. So these are the steps how you did it. Just go to the steps. So that's it. So join PQ. Draw a line segment AB such that measure of AB is equal to the sum of PQ and RS. So this will be this whenever the sum of PQ and RS means 5 plus 2.3 centimeter. So first thing what are you going to do? Draw a ray. You know the ray. One point will be fixed and the other is going to, there will be an arrow over here. So this is called an array. So you will draw the ray AC, and which is longer than the combined lengths of PQ. So it will be longer than this 7.3 centimeter. So using compasses, measure PQ and draw an arc N on the ray. So first thing you will this with the 5 centimeter you will take with the help of the compass, and from starting from A you are going to draw this one 5 centimeter over here and draw the ray. This arc over here N, such that AN is, this will be 5 centimeter. Again using compasses, measure RS. You are going to measure RS with the help of this one, such that NO is equal to RS in the direction of N. So see here, this is NO. This will be 2.3. So now what are we going to do? Length of AB is equal to the sum of lengths of PQ. So from this one we can say that length of AB is equal to the sum of length PQ and RS. So AB is the required line segment. So by this way we have completed this construction. So please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get a notification of the other parts and many more. Thank you.